हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम बैक टू चेसिंग ट्रॉफीज। इस एपिसोड में हम देखेंगे हाउ डज इंडिया क्वालिफाई फॉर द WTC फाइनल। भाई देखो, पिछले 2 साल टेस्ट क्रिकेट इज बीन वेरी पोर फ्रॉम इंडिया। एज सून एज गौतम गंभीर took over, they beat Bangladesh, but after that we lost the series against New Zealand at home. फिर जाके BGT हारे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. Then we lost a series against South Africa last year. We went to England, वहां पे 2-2 था, but we did lose two test matches there and drew one, so that minus points as well. And now India अभी 5th position में है in the WTC. If you look at the points table, India is in the 5th position and their percentage point is 48.15. अभी 9 टेस्ट मैचेस बाकी है इंडिया के लिए. So they have 2 against Sri Lanka in Sri Lanka, which is starts on August 15th. Then they've got 2 against New Zealand in November in New Zealand, and then they've got 5 against Australia at home. तो ये वाले टेस्ट मैचेस बहुत क्रूशियल होने वाले हैं. अगर इंडिया को सेफली क्वालिफाई करना है WTC फाइनल के लिए, तो उनको 8 मैच जीतना पड़ेगा 9 में से. दिस इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट आस्क बिकॉज आपके आधे मैचेस या 4 मैचेस आपके अवे फ्रॉम होम इन डिफिकल्ट कंडीशंस, और जो आपके होम गेम्स है वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ है जो टॉप ऑफ द टेबल है अभी. एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया आई थिंक विल बी आइंग अनदर WTC. उनके जो प्लेयर्स है, स्टीव स्मिथ हो जाने दो, स्टार हेजलवुड, कमिंस लाइन, देयर एमिंग for this India victory. I think more than the WTC final, they want to beat India, and for India it will be a very big challenge मेरे हिसाब से, especially under the captaincy of Shubman Gill. One thing that I've noticed, India has chopped and changed a lot in their test matches as compared to before. पहले आपको पता था अश्विन जडेजा नंबर पे खेलेंगे, इतने बॉल इतने ओवर डालेंगे, स्पेशली एट होम. अवे फ्रॉम होम एक स्पिनर खेलता था, आपके 3-4 फास्ट बॉलर खेलते थे, तो आपका एक आइडेंटिटी था. नाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. कभी आप एक बॉलर को खिला रहे जो हु कैन बैट अ बिट लाइक हर्षित राणा, कभी आप बैट्समैन को खिला रहे हु कैन बॉल अ बिट लाइक वाशिंगटन सुंदर, बट यू डोंट हैव आउट एंड आउट kind of all-rounders or out-and-out specialists in Test cricket, and that's what you require. If you don't have an all-rounder, that's completely fine. I think they need to play a bit more aggressive now because आपको 8 मैच जीतना है भाई. श्रीलंका में आपको सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ये होगा स्पिन. आप स्पिन कैसा खेलने वाले हैं, किस तरीके से आप अप्लाई करेंगे अपने आप को, एग्रेसिव खेलेंगे या डिफेंसिव खेलेंगे. अगर आप शेल में चलेंगे तो आप विकेट कैसा बचाएंगे अपने, एंड अग्रेसिव होगे तो कितने रन बनाना है आपको, उस तरीके से you need to calculate that. I think that's going to be the biggest thing, and also the bowlers have to step up to the mark. I think injuries is a huge thing, but India has squad depth. If there's anyone in the world जिसके पास squad depth है वो इंडिया है, and I think they have to rely on that, bank on that. अब aggressive cricket खेलना है भाई. श्रीलंका जाओ, आप 3-4 स्पिनर खिलाओ and जीतो वहां जाके. I think India need to try and aim to win that 2-0. If you give Sri Lanka a test match over there, then your WTC is almost over. अगर आप 2-0 जीते फिर आप न्यूजीलैंड जाते. अब न्यूजीलैंड में सबसे मुश्किल चीज ये होती है कि पहले 2 दिन बॉल इधर उधर घूमता. नाउ टेक्निक की बात आ जाती. Now it becomes very difficult. You don't have a player like Pujara over there. You don't have a player like Virat Kohli. You don't have a player like Rahane. Lekin you do have a KL Rahul who has good technique. You have someone like a Yashasvi Jaiswal who can play a bit aggressive. Then you've got somebody like a Shubman Gill who has the technique and he has the ability to play a long innings. You have to rely on these batsmen to get you somewhere over there, and then you have to bank on your fast bowlers. Who can we develop apart from Jasprit Bumrah and Siraj in this fast bowling pack in New Zealand? Sri Lanka में आपके पास spinners है. You already picked Jadeja. You have Kuldeep Yadav. You've got Manav Suthar, and you've got Sayanj Jain as well. So you've got 4 spinners. Now, who are your fast bowlers? Is Prasidh Krishna on that level? Can you develop somebody like Mayank Yadav for the New Zealand tour? Which are the fast bowlers that can go with you? I think that is going to be the key. If we can have a good quartet of fast bowling like Virat Kohli developed, we have a chance in New Zealand, but it looks very difficult. फिर आते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज. वहां पे तो भाई आप घर पे खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको पता नहीं कौन से पिचेस पे खेलना है, कौन से पिचेस पे नहीं खेलना है. रैंक टर्नर वहां पे, नेथन लायन है. अगर फ्लैट पिच है वहां पे स्टीव स्मिथ है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड अ वे where you can back your players, I think, to the best of your ability. And this is the time I think Shubman Gill as captain has to step up. He has to show something different. He needs to play those big innings and match winning kind of innings. And yeah, I think it's a very crucial period for Indian cricket. Agar aap dekhein, they've won the Asia Cup, they've won the Champions Trophy, they've won the T20 World Cup, but now this cycle is very, very important because you're going to be playing away from home. You've got your test matches in Sri Lanka and New Zealand. Then if you do make it to the WTC final, you'll probably play in England the final. Then you've got your South Africa one day World Cup, वो भी away from home है. फिर आपका next T20 World Cup वो भी Australia New Zealand में है. तो this is going to be India's biggest challenge. I think in UAE conditions, Indian conditions, they've mastered it, but now away from home in SENA countries, if they can prove themselves, win some ICC tournament, whether it's a WTC or the World Cup, it can give them a lot of confidence. And bilaterals भी आपको improve करना पड़ेगा. जिस तरीके से आप पिछले 2 साल में bilaterals इतने हारे, I think they want to improve that, especially in test matches, because every test counts. It counts towards the WTC cycle, and you want to do well in test cricket. If you do well in test cricket, your other cricket does get taken care of, and you can improve there as well. But test cricket is where India have to improve, particularly at home. Let's see what happens in the Sri Lanka series. I'm looking forward to it. हम लोग जैसा डिस्कस करें, टीम अनाउंस होगी वहां पे. Shuman Gill will be captaining. KL Rahul is the vice captain. You're going with 4 spinners, right? NKR is not available over there. You don't have a genuine all-rounder in that sense, but Bumrah and Sai Sudarshan also, you're going to be looking at their availability. Depending on their fitness, they will be selected or not for that Sri Lanka series. So hopefully India have a fit squad and fit crew for that series, because it's going to be a very very crucial one. And अगर बाकी का अगर आप टेबल देखें, Australia right now are currently first, South Africa is second, New Zealand is third, Bangladesh is fourth, India is fifth, Sri Lanka is sixth. So for India, they have to keep climbing the table. They're going to play 2 of the teams who are ahead of them already, which is New Zealand and Australia. If they win those 2 series, they have a chance. I think the safe margin is between 6 to 8 test victories. अगर आप 6 से 8 अगर जीतते हैं out of 9, you can qualify for the WTC final. Anything less and you're out. And like I said, away from home, India's record is not the best these days. At home, it's also not that good. So best of it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what they can do in this cycle. This is going to be very important also for Gautam Gambhir and the team management, because रेड बॉल में उनका बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म हो चुका है सिंस देव स्टार्टेड. वो रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे जिस तरीके से चाहते हैं. एंड जब ट्रांजिशन नहीं हो रहा था तब भी आप हारे थे, न्यूजीलैंड से हारे, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हारे. जब ट्रांजिशन हुआ तब भी आप हारे, साउथ अफ्रीका से हारे आप. तो नाउ वी कांट मेक अ ट्रांजिशन काइंड ऑफ एक्सक्यूज. अ लॉट ऑफ दीस प्लेयर्स आर मोर एक्सपीरियंस. यू गॉट राहुल, शुभमन, पंत, बुमराह, सिराज, जडेजा, दे प्ले टेस्ट मैचेस ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. तो अभी हम ट्रांजिशन का भी एक्सक्यूज नहीं दे सकते. दिस इज द टाइम टू शाइन. This is the time for India to put up a mark and show why they're one of the top teams in the world, because आपको like challenge इधर ही होंगे ऐसे conditions में. अगर आप जीत के लेके आते हैं फिर आप WTC qualify करते हैं यार, फिर गंभीर को कोई हटा नहीं सकता, right? If you qualify from this situation, so let's see, man. I think it's very difficult for India to qualify. I'm not expecting them to make it to the final. मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है इस हिसाब से, मगर नामुमकिन नहीं है. We have to take it one step at a time. पहली श्रीलंका सीरीज है, उसके बाद न्यूजीलैंड है, उसके बाद घर पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया खेलना है. एंड थोड़ा सा बैक टू बैक सिचुएशन है, सो देयर गोइंग टू बी इन द रिदम ऑफ टेस्ट क्रिकेट एज वेल. यू गॉट योर अगस्त इन श्रीलंका, नवंबर इन न्यूजीलैंड एंड जनवरी इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. तो थोड़ा सा सॉरी अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन इंडिया. तो आपको थोड़ा सा गैप है एक आध महीने का टू प्रिपेयर एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड आई थिंक न्यूजीलैंड वाला टूर, they have to go and play warm up game. कैसा भी उनको कहीं ना कहीं फिट इन करना पड़ेगा एक वार्म अप मैच अगेंस्ट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर 11 or whatever it is, because they have to acclimatize to the conditions. I would ideally like them to play a warm up game in Sri Lanka as well. When you go to foreign conditions, you want to acclimatize as quickly as possible and as best as possible. So yeah, best of luck. Let's see what happens. Let me know in the comments, do you think India is going to reach the WTC final, yes or no? And thank you everyone for joining. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and take care. Bye bye.